Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we are still trying to recover from one of the most idiotic Microsoft update ever, that's pushed to everybody, but that a really big amount of people, of users, are having an error with. And to make things worse, of course, they want you to do things that most people don't want to do or never did or don't even know what it is. Well, we have Desk Modder, which is the X user or Twitter user out of Germany that often shows us different things. And one of the most useless things also is coming to Windows. So he discovered that Notepad will get a Cowriter AI thing. And this actually made me realize how lost Microsoft is, how lost the teams working in Windows and the different apps around it are. This is the most useless thing that I can think of. Now, Notepad, I use Notepad sometimes just to copy text and then copy it back to somewhere else, or, often, most of the time actually, is to create little batch files that will execute commands. And that's it. You don't really write with Notepad in general. Actually, the best, simple text editing software that was in Windows, WordPad, is being removed, which I still find kind of an stupid thing. Leave it there. What does it matter that it stays in Windows? But yet, Notepad, you're giving it an AI co-writer. Okay. And the funny thing is, I got no problem. It's not that I have a problem with Copilot AI and stuff. And a great example of that is with Paint. I am happy that Paint has its co-creator feature so that you can create images. I use Paint for image editing regularly. I use Paint to do all sorts of changes on images, sometimes add text. And having a co-creator, I find that logical, and I find that it's okay to have that within an app like Paint. But, and even add layers. They're making Paint better actually with this, and that's fine. But I can't see people going to Notepad because they want to have co-writer. It's as if some people at Microsoft got nothing to do, and somebody at a team meeting sat down and said, "Oh, let's add AI to Notepad. What a cool idea." I don't know, guys. This is the week where Microsoft is making me cringe and think about how lost and how you just have no idea what your users are doing and what they need and what they want. Really, come on. I don't know. So, what do you guys think? Co-writer and Notepad? I find that it's really kind of losing direction here. It's a waste of time for a lot of those teams that could be working on something better, including making updates that actually will not make people go nuts. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.